table number 41434. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, ma'am, sir. My name is Lanilyn Velasquez, 36 years old. I am married. I have two daughters, ages 15 years old and 8 years old. I have one brother, and I am the youngest.
What is your educational attainment?
I am a high school graduate, and I graduated at Fianza Memorial National High School, Dalopirip, Itogon, Benguet.
Why do you want to go to Hong Kong?
For the better future of my children and my family.
Have you been to any country before as an OFW?
No, ma'am, but I have an experience here in Philippines as a housemaid.
Do you have experience in taking care of old person?
No, ma'am.
Do you have experience in taking care of newly born babies and children?
Yes, ma'am. I have take care of 2 months years old.
What can you do for babies?
I can change the diapers, play with them, and feeding with them.
Aside from your daily household works, what are the special skills you can do?
I can do tutoring for the children and cooking.
What foreign dishes can you cook?
I can cook Chinese food like steamed fish and vegetables.
Describe yourself as a housemaid.
I'm hardworking, honest, and responsible.
During misunderstanding with your employer, what do you do?
I will ask apology to my employer and say sorry.
Describe your relationship with your past and present employer. How do they treat you?
We have a good relationship and they treat me as a family.
Message for your future employer in Hong Kong.
Dear mom, sir, if you hire me as your domestic helper, I will do my duties and responsibilities. Thank you and God bless.